Begin video. We got two trains here running on the same track. The second one controlled by TMCC to make sure that one doesn't run into the back of the other. Union Pacific Mikado following a string of cars from American Models and S Helper Services. And coming up soon again will be our K325 from AC Gilbert, following a string of American Flyer cars. Here we come around the bend. Meantime, the old Gilbert hand car is going around the inside track. K325. Yes, indeed, that is a classic Baker's chocolate tank car in the middle of that string. You saw it. It's for real.